The Armed Forces of the Philippines aims zero new People's Army guerrilla front within the year. In an interview on Sunday, December 22, AFP spokesperson Colonel Francel Margaret Padilla reiterates that there is only one weakened NPA guerrilla front left in the country. According to Padilla, the AFP is in the process of declaring NPA guerrilla front as non-existent. Padilla earlier said that the Communist Party of the Philippines and its armed wing, NPA, can no longer stage major operations. According to the AFP, a weakened guerrilla front means it can no longer implement its programs like recruitment and generating resources for the armed struggle. Padilla also says that the AFP would continue to monitor areas where the presence of armed groups was detected, even after attaining their goal of zero NPA guerrilla front. On December 18, Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. said he was not open to a ceasefire with the CPP-NPA after the group said it would not declare one during this year's holiday season. Teodoro's statement came after the CPP said it cannot declare a holiday truce in the face of President Bongbong Marcos's regime's relentless war of suppression, offensive military operations, and imposition of martial law in the countryside.